Preston here, and I've got another trailer to show you. Imagine! 2150 RB by Grand Design. It has a power tongue jack, full body awning. I love these solid steps. Check out these wheels. There's a work light right next to the dump out. This is a Schwintek slide out. Fully laminated. It has a heated and closed underbelly. I'm gonna spray up. Slam latches. It has LED lights and solar prep. Let's go inside and check it out. These new light colors are great. It's a place to just hang my coat. Look at all this storage. The TV is right across from the seating. Look at this big oven. What a great storage idea. Look at this big extra countertop. I could take a nice hot bath here. This new fridge is easy to open. I could bring a puppy camping. With this cool little table, I don't need a dinette. Isn't this weird? The couch has storage. I could put the table in right here. So nice. Did you know this side makes into a bed? Ta-da! It's a bed. This is a true 60 by 80 queen bed. So your feet won't dangle off this bed. Plenty of room in this closet. See where the vents are? There's no vents in the floor. That means cleaner air and less to trip over. Let's check out this huge bathroom. Lots of legroom around this toilet. This is the biggest shower I've ever seen in a travel trailer. Here's where I put my shampoo. Storage. Have you ever seen so much counter space in a bathroom? If you would like more information, please call my dad.